Hurricanes are one of the most powerful and destructive natural disasters on our planet. From the violent winds to the torrential rains and the devastating storm surges, hurricanes can cause catastrophic damage. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at hurricanes and how you can prepare yourself and your family to stay safe during these powerful storms. Welcome to SurvivalScope, your go-to channel for all things survival and preparedness. Let's start by understanding what hurricanes are and how they form. Hurricanes, also known as tropical cyclones or typhoons in different parts of the world, are intense tropical storms that form over warm ocean waters. They are categorized into 5 levels based on their wind speeds, with Category 5 being the most severe. Warm ocean water at least 26.5 degrees Celsius or 80 degrees Fahrenheit provides energy. Moist air and favorable atmospheric conditions contribute. Low-pressure systems and the Coriolis effect help in rotation. The structure of a hurricane includes the eye, which is the calm center of the storm, the eye wall, which surrounds the eye and contains the most violent winds, and the rain bands, which are spiral bands of clouds and thunderstorms extending outwards. History has shown us the devastating impact hurricanes can have. Let's look at some of the most notorious hurricanes in recent history. Hurricane Katrina, in 2005, devastated New Orleans and surrounding areas, with over 1,800 lives lost and billions in damage. Hurricane Sandy, in 2012, impacted the Caribbean and the east coast of the U.S., known as Superstorm Sandy, causing widespread flooding and damage. Hurricane Maria, in 2017, struck Puerto Rico and Dominica, causing significant loss of life and infrastructure damage. Preparation is key to surviving a hurricane. Here are the essential steps you need to take to protect yourself, your family, and your property. Create an emergency plan. Establish a communication plan with family members. Know your evacuation routes and shelters. Build an emergency kit. Include essentials like water, non-perishable food, medications, flashlights, batteries, and a first aid kit. Don't forget important documents, cash, and personal hygiene items. Secure your home. Install storm shutters or board up windows. Secure outdoor furniture and loose items. Trim trees and shrubs to reduce debris. Stay informed. Monitor weather reports and alerts from reliable sources. Have a battery-powered or hand-crank radio. Evacuation tips. Follow evacuation orders from local authorities and evacuate if possible. Have a go bag ready with essential items. Know your destination and inform someone of your plans. During a hurricane, safety is paramount. Here's what you should do to stay safe while the storm is raging outside. Stay indoors, away from windows and glass doors. Stay in a small, windowless room or a closet on the lowest level. Use flashlights instead of candles to prevent fire hazards and conserve battery power for essential use. Keep listening to weather updates and emergency instructions. Be aware of potential storm surges and flooding. Once the hurricane is passed, the danger isn't over. Here are the steps you should take to ensure your safety during the aftermath. Wait for the official all clear before venturing outside, and beware of downed power lines and dangerous debris. Inspect your home for structural damage, gas leaks, and water damage. Document any damage for insurance claims. Clean up safely, wearing protective clothing and gear, and be cautious of contaminated water and mold. Seek assistance by contacting emergency services if needed, and reach out to community resources for aid and support. Hurricanes are formidable forces of nature, but with proper preparation and knowledge, you can protect yourself and your loved ones. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SurvivalScope for more survival tips and preparedness guides, and check out the link in description for supplies. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, knowledge is your best tool for survival. Thank you for watching SurvivalScope. Be sure to check out our other videos for more survival strategies and tips. Stay tuned, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.